Hello and welcome back to Cameronian Grace Militaria. I'm Ian Stevenson and I'm going to show you yet again contents of this bag. This bag. This is the Vietnam era duffel bag. I'm pretty sure because it has the nylon handles and everything. But this is the Vietnam era bag that goes with this World War II to Korean War era bag that I did a while ago. Anyway, so this is Vietnam War era bag. It has a U.S. stamp here. And then it has the name. And has the backpack straps kind of thing here. And they're nylon, as you can see, so it's Vietnam era, I'm guessing. It's Vietnam era, and then it has the canvas. So this is canvas and this is nylon, so it's not like the older straps where it's non-nylon, it's canvas still or whatever. So anyway, let's get started. Alright, first thing is pants. Like women's pants, I would say. Like the HBT tag. No, this is the, I don't know what tag that is. Ah, here. This is the tag. Slacks, utility, women's, as I said. Miss Mizey Sportswear Incorporated, contract number, blah, 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 blah. March 6th, 1951. So, Korean War era, that's what I figured. Size large. Right here. So, yeah, I'll have to research these. Feels like there's nothing in the pockets. Always go through the pockets, but I'll do that later. For you guys. Oh! So last video I made, and there's the contents of these duffel bags. We had a hat, here. What was it called? It was a combination hat. Yeah. Anyway, yes, this was the combination hat, which the officers would wear in World War II. But yeah, you could change the covers out for different colors. And if you had the same, like if you had two black covers, you can be washing one while wearing one, kind of stuff. So yeah, this goes with the combination hat here. The white cover to the combination hat. Another white cover to the combination hat. Interesting. I mean, as I said before in the other video, I have gone through these bags before, but maybe interesting. Scarf. This is a white scarf. Interesting. Wow. This is nylon. It's nylon scarf. Here. Flip it over. Is there anything anything. Yeah, nylon. Sorry, it's upside down. 100% nylon 7. Interesting. Sorry. Just want to put this back carefully. Anyway, who would have used that? Another white cover to that hat. Some more pants. Some more women's pants here. Pretty much the same tag to the other one. Ah, here's the jacket. Or not jacket, it's like a shirt. It's a short sleeve shirt. Women's. This is has a name, KMAFA. Born. U.S. Marine Corps. So both were in the Marine Corps. Both guys. If you saw my other video. Interesting. So this is a probably work uniform. Here. Interesting. I'm gonna definitely have to iron this. This is interesting. Interesting. Whoa! Belts. Oh, this is... Whoa. Oh, wow. World War II belt with the Marine Corps cut style, I guess. Barbed wire cutters, or the cutters. That's right. Dated 1945, right here. I'm going to have to do a series of videos on this stuff. But then here's a stamp, but you can't really read it. The U.S. Army stamped pretty much everything back then, which is nice. But yeah, the early war khaki color here. This is the later war. Here. Has the cutters again. This one has some red stuff here. I wonder what that is. The other one had that too. This one's more worn. But yeah, interesting. Oh. That's right. I remember this one. Here has a... I'm not sure what this is. So it went around like this. I'm not sure what this is. I'm really not sure. I look like a dork in this thing, probably. I don't know. I have no clue what this is. I don't know. Anyway, feel canteen. Is that a canteen? Uh-huh. U.S. Marine Corps, too. This is McDonald. It says McDonald. So it's McDonald. If you watch my other video, we found his mess kit in this other bag. So this is McDonald's. Whoops. Anyway, this broke. Anyway, it's US GP and FC or F Company, 1944. I'm gonna have to display this. This is my only Marine Corps canteen I have. And then it has $19.45. Cup. Anyway, this is dated '52, 1952, 42. I don't know. Maybe 42. No, if it was 42, then it'd be khaki. So I'm not really sure. I'll have to do some more research on that. Oh, another shirt, extra shirt, ladies' shirt for work. Korean War era shirt. What the heck is this? I'm stumped. No clue. Interesting. Electrical tape around it. No clue what this is. Anyway. Another one. Ooh, garrison caps for overseas caps. Don't fit too bad. Airborne. Anyway, yeah, it's pretty cool. Is there any markings? Yeah, 7 1/4. I've never had one of these garrison caps fit me. All too small. I think that's it. Anyway, so I hope you liked this video. Please give a thumbs up. Obviously give a thumbs down if you don't like this video. And subscribe if you want to learn more about militaria. Yeah, so, and comment below, please, always comment. So, have a nice rest of your day.